Hey, what is going on everybody, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, make sure to hit that subscribe button to see more awesome content just like this. You can also follow me on Twitch, Instagram, and on Twitter, which I will leave on the screen, and you can also click the link in the description below. I'll leave it there as well. Alright, so in this video I am going to teach you guys how to change your Valorant name. It's pretty easy to do. Anybody can do this. Just follow what I'm about to show you. Alright? Okay, here we go. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is go to Google and type Riot account login. Click search. It should be the first link. And right here you're gonna type your username and your password. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. And it might give you this verification thing, and just go to your email and do it. Alright, so after you do that, it's gonna take you to a page that looks just like this, and all you have to do is click Riot ID over here. And as you can see, my Riot ID is right here. Just click this little pencil icon and type your new name here, and you can type some numbers, or you can just click randomize and it will just give you 4 random numbers. And after you do that, all you have to click is submit. Now I'm not going to be changing my name to this, obviously. I'm just using this as an example, but all you have to do is press submit and that's it. You're good to go. Also note that after you do this, you will not be able to change your name for the next 30 days. So make sure that you change your name to something that you'll be happy with for the next 30 days. Alright? Okay, so anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. And if it was, make sure to give this video a like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel to see more awesome content just like this. You can also follow me on Twitch, Instagram, and on Twitter, which I will leave on the screen, and I will leave a link to them in the description below. Alright? Okay, anyways, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys next time. Later.